Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I have a new subscription box for you guys. Happy to introduce the Her Highness subscription service, which includes makeup, skincare, jewelry and lifestyle products and is priced at just Rs 599. Plus I have a discount code for you guys. But I will share all those details after the unboxing and review of their first box that's launched in August. So let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the box has come. Inside the bubble wrap there is another transparent wrap with twinkle twinkle little stars. Yeah, you can see so many stars over it. So this is a plain white cardboard box with their logo over here. And this is how it looks from inside. I'm getting a very good fragrance as soon as I open it. So there are some ribbons. And here they say, "Hi Sonam, welcome to Her Highness family. Hope you will enjoy our first August edition. Lots of love and pamper yourself. Regards, Ankita." And the product details we'll go through later. So the first product is from Fuchsia and this is their natural handmade skincare product. I think this is a bath salt because I have received a similar bath salt earlier in one of my Guess What boxes. Oh yes, but this one looks so pretty. It looks like some crumbled eatable things. This is the Fuchsia Cleopatra's Secret Milk Bath. And this is 75 grams of product. In the ingredients it has rose petals, Epsom salt, milk powder, rose oil and lavender essential oil. I think that's why the entire box was smelling so nice. And for usage they say add a cupful to a bucket for a relaxing bath. The cost of this product is 675 rupees. I love the fragrance of this and it is looking so beautiful. I don't know if this will turn the bathing water into white color or not, but if it does, I'll be so happy. Definitely, I love this product. Very happy with this one. Then there is another product from Fuchsia which is bubble wrapped. So this is the Fuchsia Natural Handmade Face Wash and this is the Camellia Cleanse with green tea and mint. This is a 30 ml product and the cost of this is 150 rupees. You can see the ingredient list here as well. This is actually exclusively designed and made for this particular box. The packaging is really so beautiful. It is in a very vibrant lemon green color and this is a glass bottle. They have two other variants. One is some citrus blast which has lemon in it and there is another one which has rose and honey, and you do have the choice to choose the one you want till the stocks last. And face wash is such an essential skincare product, so really happy to get this one. Then we have two handmade soaps. This is from the brand Prakritya, the Essence of Nature, and this is 100% organic SLS, SLES and paraben free. The cost is not mentioned, but they had mentioned on their Insta page that this is 60 rupees each, which is such a reasonable pricing, and we have got two of this in the box. This is actually having a very nice floral fragrance of roses, and since it's organic, handmade and all these cruelty and paraben free, I totally give it a big thumbs up. I've never heard of this brand, but still I'm happy. Then we have a packet like this. So actually we have 7 sanitary napkins inside this, which is worth 110 rupees. Every girl needs this and it's really good to find them in a subscription box. So far I'm feeling this box has really essential day-to-day things which everyone needs in their life, like face wash, soap and this. So I think it's going to be liked by many of you guys. And then next we have a piece of jewelry inside this mesh bag. And this is how they look. This is a very modern design. I really like it. I feel it would suit western outfits like jeans, tops or dresses a lot. And there is another jewelry inside the second mesh bag, and this has pom-poms in it. I actually am not a big fan of pom-poms. Okay, so this has a bracelet and a ring together. I'm just showing you how it is to be worn. And yeah, some of you might like it, but honestly I did not like it much. But then I have a younger sister who might end up liking this. Pom-poms are really trendy nowadays, so everybody's trying to have one of them, so many of you might actually like it, but just not my choice. Then on this gift wrap package we have a small flag to celebrate our Independence Day in August. I really like such thoughtful additions. These might not cost a lot, but they definitely send a message and does make you feel good. And I'm a sucker for tiny cute things, so I definitely like this a lot. Let me open and see what is the surprise gift. These are 4 hair clips with really cute floral pattern on it. And the quality is good too. So yeah, I liked it actually. I do use a lot of small hair clips like this to have a small pony, just to take care of my bangs in front. And then we have a chocolate. I love 5-star and I have been eating them since childhood. So there is some sort of nostalgia attached to it. And it's always good to add or have something sweet when you're starting something new. Gets you good luck, they say. I don't believe in superstitions, but I do believe that you're in a very good mood when you eat chocolates, and that would always work well for you. So happy to receive this one. So now my box is empty, and inside also it was really good packaging with all these colorful thermocol balls and all, which is pretty. Now let's have a look at the product details. The Fuchsia Cleopatra Secret Milk Bath was for 675 rupees, which is already printed on the box. The Fuchsia Face Wash we read as 250 rupees. Actually it is mentioned as 150 rupees. So I guess there is a mistake in writing it. So I would go with 150 rupees. The Prakritya hand soaps are for 60 rupees and we have got 2 worth 120 rupees, and I feel that is a very reasonable pricing for the size of the soap we have got. Then the jewelry piece is for 199 rupees. And this would be the one. The sanitary napkins are for 110 rupees, which is quite justified. Then there is this Gotapati Hath Fool for 100 rupees, which I think is the pom-pom bracelet along with the ring. The surprise gift for the first 20 customers, I think that would be the hair clip and the chocolate and all maybe. So these are all the products, and clearly this box has products worth more than 1500 rupees, and it is priced at just rupees 599. So we do save a lot, and the best part is we are getting so many daily essentials. I think there is a good mix of different products. I liked all the beauty products and the surprise gift and this jewelry. The only thing I did not like much is this pom-pom heart fool or bracelet, whatever you call it. There is a shipping charge of 50 rupees for those who are out of Delhi, but we know it costs a lot more than that for all India shipping, so I feel it's a very reasonable shipping cost. You guys can have a discount of extra 10% by using the code displayed on the screen right now. I always try to get some discount for you guys. I hope you all appreciate that, and if you do, then please give this video a like and show some love in the comment section below. So overall I think it's a really good box. And if you liked it too, you can buy one for yourself. The links to buy and payment details along with discount code will be mentioned in the description box. And if you haven't already, participate in the giveaway running on my channel. I'll leave that link in the description box too. And if you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.